Hi all, welcome to Demystifying Markets. So, நாளையோட index analysis பார்க்கலாங்க and this is for August 5th. Nifty, Bank Nifty followed by Fin Nifty. Market profile is the base for this channel. Market profile base வச்சுதான் everyday live trading session we are doing a live analysis for market profile. It's based on completely market profile for index, for stocks and for commodity market as well. So if you like to learn the market profile, then this could be a better platform. And if you really like the analysis, kindly do like, share and subscribe the channel. So Nifty பார்க்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி பாத்தீங்கன்னா we have some important information like global conflicts is going on. So global conflicts பாத்தீங்கன்னா between Iran and Israel. So அந்த ஒரு விஷயமும் இருக்கு, that also to be taken care, and also that also to be see. And also பாத்தீங்கன்னா Dow Jones more than 1.5% and Nasdaq more than 2.5% was negative. US futures were in negative. So expecting a negative market as well. But Nifty oda last recent update என்னன்றதை நம்ம பார்த்தலாம். So Nifty oda first time, if you see after 4 days in Nifty, the first day வந்து market வந்து closing on bottom. So இதுவரையும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா Nifty வந்து previous timesல it has a very good close between above the levels of the single prints, that is 24,800. So Nifty oda first time oda closing பாத்தீங்கன்னா almost 24,700, which we'll see now in detail. So Nifty oda last prior day oda opening பாத்தீங்கன்னா was below the levels of last 5 days. Market below PPOC. 24,800 itself is acting as a resistance because intraday la POC அந்த லெவல்ல தான் அவங்க மெயின்டைன் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Market trying to go up, but நம்ம பார்த்திருந்தோம் நிஃப்டியை பொறுத்தவரையும் out of all index வந்து where we have a live trading session, அந்த sessionsல பார்த்திருந்தோம் out of all index Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty. Nifty was the index which is not giving any kind of IB extension. அந்த level வரையுமே ஒரு first few times கொடுத்தது வந்து Bank Nifty ஆ இருக்கட்டும், Fin Nifty ஆ இருக்கட்டும். But Nifty was holding for a longer time without giving IB extension. Later on தான் அவங்க IB extension provide பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So அது வரையுமே மேல வந்து there was a clear selling. 24,900 was a clear selling and 24,800 itself acting as a intraday ல ஒரு resistance create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So market open and tried to go up, but it could not go up. What happened? They are having a single prints. So single prints la ஒரு support system find பண்ணிருக்காங்க, which we obviously know 24,750, which was the immediate zone of protection for Nifty below 800, 850 and the zone நம்ம பார்த்திருந்தோம், which we have discussed in previous video as well. And 700, which is a very important level for Nifty because it was the POC of initiative who have come at this level. So this level is much more important அப்படின்றத வந்து நம்ம previous videosலயும் பார்த்திருந்தோம். So what happened for Nifty? Nifty don't have the buying pressure. That's why it could not go IB level on upside. What happened? They are actually consolidating within IB for a longer time. And after that, during the closing, the market is ready to give the IB downside. But again, pathina, it is having a clear stop here because it's a POC. And this POC is created for a purpose. Anything in market profile வந்து it's definitely for a purpose, and that may be for intraday, that may be for upcoming days காகவும் இருக்கலாம். But we have to identify what kind of POC this creation is. So அதுக்கு வந்து we should have a we should have a depth of market profile learning. That is very important to identify whether this could be a short term resistance or this could be a long term resistance. So that kind of differentiation while learning the market profile in depth we would able to get it. So அந்த மாதிரி பாத்தீங்கன்னா POC வந்து அவங்க ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So 24,700 to 750 is a clear stop, and market also have a clear stop at this level on last working day as we expected. So IB on downside கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Market வந்து that too after a longer time holding within a IB range. So Nifty பொறுத்தவரையும் in case upside la POC க்கு மேல வராங்க அப்படின்னா obviously this PPOC, that is 25,000, is going to be a good level of resistance in market. On Friday also 24,900 itself is acting as a very good level for Nifty. So Nifty பொறுத்தவரையுமே இந்த லெவலே நல்ல ஒரு ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸா கிரியேட் பண்ணிட்டாங்க and further crossing this level is definitely price acceptance and above the level is 25,000 which is a definitely a clear resistance for Nifty as well. POC க்கு கீழ வராங்க, that is on 24,800 below. Then we know 24,700 which has a stop on last working day as well, but again it could be a better support zone. If the support breaks, then 24,600 where Nifty was having a very good level of single print. So each and every single print in Nifty, like what we discussed previously on these many days, that is every single prints will act as a level of support அப்படின்றத பார்த்திருந்தோம். So first few times what happened, IB அந்த லெவல்ல தான் அவங்க ஹோல்ட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. These two single prints really work for a longer time. And then this POC, what happened, this POC and single print have a stop over here for Nifty during the closing because அதுக்கப்புறம் மார்க்கெட்டோட டைம் இல்ல. So further if at all there is a fall, then this single print could be a support, that is the next level of support for Nifty, that is 24,600. So which is a very important reference for Nifty. If the level breaks below 24,600, then 24,400 is a very good level of POC which we very well know because this 24,400 and the days இந்த நாள்ல எல்லாம் நம்ம நிறைய டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம் ஏன் இந்த லெவல்ல அவங்க க்ளோசிங் கொடுத்தாங்க அப்படின்றத. ஸோ அந்த பேக் ஹிஸ்டரியும் நம்மளுக்கு வந்து இந்த லெவல்ஸ்ல இருக்கு, பிளஸ் POC of last 2 days plus the buying excess. All this could be a better level of support for Nifty. If the Nifty breaks the level of 24,600, then 24,400 could be a better zone to get any kind of initial support. So Nifty பொறுத்தவரையும் மேல பாத்தீங்கன்னா it is very clear price acceptance and 25k as well as 24,900 which could be a better resistance. And downside la pathina on breaking 700 600 could be the better single prints and more than single prints break pandranga appadina, then this could be a better reference because it has the 2 days of POC as well as the buying excess and the peacock creation which are in the same zone. So this 24,400 could be a better zone of support system for Nifty. So moving on to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty பொறுத்தவரையும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா Bank Nifty வந்து நம்ம recent times we have a very clear history like 51,200 which is a very good level of support for Bank Nifty. And last working day on second also what happened, IB நம்ம பார்த்திருந்தோம், நம்ம we have a continuous follow up with all the index, especially பாத்தீங்கன்னா Fin Nifty ஆ இருக்கட்டும் Bank Nifty ஆ இருக்கட்டும் initially ஒரு breakout வந்து IB on upside கொடுத்தாங்க, but whereas in Nifty we have been seen for a longer time it is holding inside the IB levels. So அது நம்ம லைவ்லயும் பார்த்திருந்தோம், it is not giving any kind of extension. And then onwards the single print could act as a support அப்படின்றத பார்த்திருந்தோம். Bank Nifty பொறுத்தவரையும் IB on upside வந்து provide பண்ணாங்க. So HDFC Bank வந்து நல்லா சப்போர்ட்டிவா இருந்தது. So IB on upside பாத்தீங்கன்னா it is 51 opening பாத்தீங்கன்னா it is a peacock க்கு கீழ தான் மார்க்கெட் ஓபன் பண்ணிருக்காங்க and 51,800 which could be a stop. ஏன்னா 700 க்கு மேலேயே மார்க்கெட் வந்து it was trying hard to go above this level of 51,700 which was the previous day closing. So previous day closing was acting as a next day resistance because நம்ம இத லைவ்லயும் பார்த்திருந்தோம், market is having a resistance at the level of 51,700 as per the open interest and as per the market profile also. So market could not cross above this level of 51,700 where it is having a clear stop by saying poor high concept, and the concept la vande it has a clear stop and then market placed the POC. POC பொறுத்தவரையும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா 51,600 market வந்து it's a very very important level. Bank Nifty ல ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்டான ஒரு சில levels வந்து we keep on discussing every time. Why? Because that level is acting as a good level of support or a resistance for a longer time. So likewise 51,600 அந்த லெவலும் நல்ல ஒரு POC maintain பண்ணிருக்காங்க and also this day POC and this day POC are in the same range, which tells very clearly the market is trying to balance at the level of 51,600 always. So when it hits the zone, so 51,600 க்கு தான் வால்யூமும் நம்மளுக்கு அசோசியேட் ஆயிருக்கு which is 51,500. So market வந்து IB ஓட extension வந்து எங்க place பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா which is 51,500 and we know the back history of this 51,500 level which is the Bank Nifty oda very very important support zone இருந்த இடம் because it was the peacock creation of earlier times. So 51,500 levels வந்து Bank Nifty is not able to, and the 51,500 for a longer time they are holding the level. So after that what happened, market வந்து அந்த level break பண்ணி கீழ வந்தாலுமே they didn't enter into the buying tail. So still they have the buying excess which is at the bottom. So buying excess வந்து place பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Bank Nifty suppose 51,600 இந்த லெவல்ல இருந்து மார்க்கெட் மேல வராங்க அப்படின்னா then it has a very clear resistance of 51,700 and 750 above, which says it's a poor high of last working day. They could not cross it. Even they have IB extension, they are unable to cross. And also பாத்தீங்கன்னா அதுக்கு முந்தின நாளும் அந்த இடத்துல தான் அவங்க க்ளோசிங் வச்சிருக்காங்க. So above this level is definitely required. And 51,900 which is a superb resistance zone for Bank Nifty, because in the level lende pathina, if you see this level and also this day after 51,900 there is a clear stop, so they are protecting the zone to go higher. So this level could be a better zone of resistance for Bank Nifty, and above this definitely 52,000 and 52,100. So these are the upper side resistance for Bank Nifty as well. In case market கீழ வராங்க அப்படின்னா then this could be a better zone. First is 51,500 and the level வந்து which is a very important zone in Bank Nifty. They should cross this level. On getting cross this level 51,500, then obviously they get any kind of support in the buying excess which is 51,200 to 150 zone. Obviously they do have lot of support system which they taken in the POC of last working day, that is on 26th July. This POC has been created for the next 5 days of Bank Nifty support, which acted and which provide justice to that POC. இந்த POC எதுக்கு create பண்ணாங்களோ அந்த POC அவங்க நல்லாவே work பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Last 5 days Bank Nifty was holding in that POC. So that POC level is a very important and a key level for Bank Nifty. Downside ல வந்து வராங்க அப்படின்னு 51,200 வரையுமே they could get any kind of support. And if not, if market is breaking this 51,200 to 51,100, then 51,000 psychologically that number could act as a good level of support. And obviously if you see these 2 days இந்த லெவலை வந்து நம்ம நிறைய டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம். On this date of Bank Nifty, these 2 days பெருசா IB ஓட extension on downside அவங்க provide பண்ணல, and they have a clear support which has taken at the level of 5,600. And this 5,600 is an important reference for Bank Nifty because it has a very good closing at the top, and that POC is acting as a 4 to 5 days of support for next few days for Bank Nifty. So this level is going to be an important level for Bank Nifty to get any kind of support, 5,600. So these are the downside and upside opportunities, upside resistance and support for Bank Nifty as well. So Bank Nifty பொறுத்தவரையுமே upside ல clear resistance இருக்கு. Downside வரணும் அப்படின்னா they should break 51,200 and have a clear acceptance. So that is very important to see. So moving on to Fin Nifty. So Fin Nifty பொறுத்தவரையுமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா market வந்து it's a clear resistanceல தான் வந்து hit பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Fin Nifty ஓட நம்ம last day ஓட breakout-ம் பார்த்தோம். IB extension வந்து small IB. So if you see Fin Nifty, it is a small IB. So small IB extension நல்லா provide பண்ணாங்க. Clearly அந்த POC ல தான் வந்து resistance meet பண்ணாங்க. So market வந்து it is not exactly they go and hit the POC and get resisted. It is a zone they can get anywhere resisted. So இத நம்ம liveலியும் பார்த்திருந்தோம். Liveலியும் they are near to the resistance zone அப்படின்றத பார்த்திருந்தோம். So market is exactly created poor high and they have a clear stop. So market opened below 23,300 to 350 zone. And the zone la pathina it is volume also associated with that level, small IB. Market giving IB extension on upside, clear up poor higher face பண்ணிருக்காங்க because it was into the resistance. And then onwards market try to maintain the level above the balance on this day of IB. AB ஓட above ல தான் POC maintain பண்ணிருக்காங்க, and then POC க்கு கீழ தான் வந்து closing பண்ணிருக்காங்க because POC வந்து intraday la resistance turn ஆயிடுச்சு. So what happened, they have a clear closing at the bottom, but still they have a buying excess. So if at all Fin Nifty வந்து 23,500 ல இருந்து மேல வராங்க அப்படின்னா 600 is the important zone where they have poor high, where they have POC as resistance. So இதை clear பண்ணணும், that is a very important. On crossing this, definitely 23,700, because we know the past history of this Fin Nifty பொறுத்த வரையுமே 23,700, which is a very very important zone in Fin Nifty. We have seen previous times. So in the levels வந்து ரொம்ப important, 23,700. On crossing this level, definitely ஒரு acceptance is required. So above these two levels are acting as resistance for Fin Nifty. In case market இதுக்கு கீழே வராங்க, that is 23,500 to 450, and this zone the market is coming down, then 300 to 350, anywhere they can take a support, because it was the buying excess and it has perfectly taken support on the last working day, and volume also associated with that level. So market வந்து இந்த லெவல்ல வந்து திருப்பி support system find பண்றாங்களா அப்படின்றத we need to check. If at all this level breaks, then we have obviously this AB poor low, which has turned the market to next level. அந்த நாளோட IB ல இருந்து தான் market AB poor low place பண்ணி நல்ல ஒரு range extension கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Next few days they are into upside. So this level, that is 23,200, which could be a better support zone. We need to check whether they are providing any kind of support further. If at all Fin Nifty comes below 23,300, then 23,200 is the next immediate zone, and 2300 is the next immediate single print where the buyers could come at this level of, where the initiative come at this level. Then obviously 23,000, which is a very very important zone in Fin Nifty. So every 100 points in Fin Nifty is having a support. So Fin Nifty பொறுத்த வரையுமே it is very clear, that is on upside is very clear, double side of rejection, that is POC and poor high. And on support side பாத்தீங்கன்னா it is very clear, having a buying excess, AB poor low, single prints and AB poor low. So everything will act as a support, like how we see Nifty previous times before, that is 24,900, 850, 800 zone ல எப்படி வந்து Nifty work ஆச்சோ அந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு support system வந்து immediate-ஆவே Fin Nifty-க்கு நிறையவே இருக்கு. So every levels we need to check whether the buyers are active in the zone அப்படின்றதுக்கு. So I think on upside and downside is also clear with Fin Nifty. So நாளையோட live sessionsல we track these kinds of index எல்லாமே நம்ம வந்து டீடைலா பார்க்கலாம், and index based stocks நம்ம வந்து டீடைலா பார்க்கிறோம். So everything, like not only in index, and what which stock is actually moving the index, அதுவும் நம்ம வந்து immediate-ஆ வந்து பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். So we also do on tomorrow, and thank you so much. Kindly do your analysis before you take trade for trading or for investment, and if you really like the analysis, kindly do like, share, so that it can also go to the next person who really need this kind of market profile analysis. Thank you so much.